You're looking for a sharp knife? This may be something that you are interested in. We're going to show you what the knife is about. From PAUDIN, a 5-inch Japanese ultra-sharp culinary knife. You have a guide, protecting foam, wood grain metal, 5-inch blade with the protective tip and sleeve. We're going to show you cutting a carrot and some chicken. A close-up look at the knife. You see the grain metal, nice handle. I have an extra large hand, 5-inch blade. Sharp blade with a sharp tip. This is cutting a carrot, dicing a carrot, and cutting chicken. If you're looking for a Japanese ultra-sharp blade in different makes and models from the company, this butcher culinary knife may be something that you're looking for. It's small, compact in design, and more. We have a carrot. Show you how nice and sharp it is. Oh, you didn't see it chopping up, did you? Sharp indeed. The knife slicing the chicken, just pressing down, cuts. It's a nice sharp knife, as you can see. Dishwasher safe, can be stored in its box when ready for use. And when you're using it, simply take it out of the sleeve and off you go. You do not need to leave it in its plastic. It comes with its own protective cover that simply slide in and put away and protect. Velvet lining, easy to slip in and protect.